What I have is a Silverado. This would be for just about any pickup here. The tailgate here, the little hinge thing there, kinda got rusted and mangled up. And then when you close the tailgate, it taken messed up the rear light there because it was out of alignment there. So I took that off. A couple of the plastic tabs are broken off, and I'm going to go ahead and super glue those on with a little baking soda, and it'll cure to a hard plastic. Okay, it turned out pretty nice there, nice and stiff, and this one as well. Now you can purchase a new hinge here. They're less than $20 online. I'm going to take this one off here and then weld a piece on there, save a little bit of money. Okay, I'm going to measure the slotted opening there. That opening was 7/8 of an inch, and this one here is a little over 1 inch. While wearing some eye protection, I'm going to take a angle grinder with a cutoff wheel and then clean that up a little bit. Okay, I found that this pipe here is the correct width, and then I'm going to take another little piece of pipe. This is actually a little conduit, and then split that down and then weld it on each side there and weld this together here. It'll be 3/4 of an inch away. Okay, so I got that piece of pipe there. I'm going to just go ahead and weld this together here, and then I'll go ahead and weld it onto here. Okay, got her welded on there. What I'm going to do is take a flap wheel to it, clean it up a little bit, and then test it in the tailgate, make sure it's okay. Okay, so I flattened out the edges here on the sides here, and I'm going to go ahead and weld it on a 45-degree angle onto here, and we should all be ready to throw some paint on it, put it back on. Okay, I got her all welded up there. I'm going to take, where's my protection, and clean it up just a little bit with the flap wheel. Okay, got her polished up a little bit here. Fits in there and rotates. I think we're all good. I'm going to go ahead and spray a little paint on there. Okay, while that little bracket is drying, I'm going to go ahead, this is all dry here, go ahead and reattach our light in the back. Okay, paint's pretty dry here, go ahead and put this back on there. Ready to install it here.